Okay guys, in this video we're going to be creating a contact us page. Now kind of where we're heading with things is we're going to make a page and then we're going to kind of head towards our home page, and we're going to have some navigation and stuff. So we're going to have things in place so that we can add that navigation, and a contact us page is pretty much essential. But once you've learned how to do this and how to add it to your menu and stuff, you can go ahead and add as many different pages as you want. So you might have FAQs, you might have a page, or about us, something like that. So, and your services and what you do. So like I say, once you've cracked how to do this page, which is pretty much essential, further down the line you can always add more pages as you go. So what we're going to do is we're going to come across to online store, we're going to go to pages, we're going to go add page, and we're going to go contact us. Okay, so here we can add some details, and what I would do is just go ahead and Google best contact us page examples, and you'll get plenty of inspiration from there. But I'll create a basic one here right now. So we're going to go, please don't hesitate to contact us, or let's just please contact us if you have any questions or concerns. Yes, via one of our support channels below. Yeah, okay, that's good. So we can put and I'm going to cover having a free phone telephone number as well, because having a free phone number instantly builds trust and credibility with people, because you are likely to be selling to people that have never heard of you or seen you before. There's a ton of fly-by-night websites online, and people are very defensive before they've even started. So I would highly recommend you have a phone number. So I'm going to go free phone, and I'll cover the phone number in another video. So free phone 0800 23 456 456 via email. So we remember support at drone demo store.com. And then what I'm going to do as well, I'm going to show you something else what you could do possibly, or I'm going to click the link below to submit a support ticket directly. So then I'm going to add a link in here. What I'm going to do is go to Freshdesk and just show you on Freshdesk. If you copy this part of your domain here, and then you'll be logged into Freshdesk in your browser, then you can open up an incognito window. But because I've already got one open, I'm going to head over to Safari. I'm going to put this domain name, put that URL in, and you can see you've got like a front end or like a mini website here for your support desk. I'll show you about adding your logo and stuff like that, and how all this works from the back end. But for now, if you click new support ticket, and then you get this URL, okay, so yours will look very similar. It'll be your name that you chose there. Everything else here will be the same. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to close Safari, and then I'm going to paste, or actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to put submit your ticket here, or no, sorry, yeah, I'll just leave it like that. Anyway, you might want to rephrase the words, or you certainly will want to create a better page than this. I'm going to go insert link, and then I'm going to open in a new window or a new tab there, click insert link, and that's now a clickable link there where they can click and go straight through to your support desk. Then I would put something about when you're going to be around, or when your VAs are going to be around to answer those tickets, because people like to know what's going on. And I'll put somehow that's picked up that, so I'm just going to unlink that. Okay. Support desk is open Monday to Friday, 9 AM to 5 PM GMT. We aim to reply to all emails within 24 hours, okay, or whatever your kind of time scale is. Okay, so you'll notice down here as well, we've got this search engine listing preview. So this is for SEO, this is for gaining organic traffic. This is the part that I'm not really up on, but you can edit here your meta description, your page title and handle. So this is all to do with SEO, and remember, I'm going to show you where you can find out more about SEO, because I'm not the person to talk to about SEO, but I'm just showing you that's what that is there. Anyway, once you have done that, and remember, you don't have to get too perfect with this, because you will find that your site will develop over time. You'll have ideas come to you, you'll see other things online, and you'll always be coming back and changing up stuff. So don't really overthink it for now. Let's get the structure in place, and then you can continue tweaking up as you move forward. Okay, so there's our live page like that. Remember, you can build more and more pages, and in the next video we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, thanks guys, bye for now.